Nimewacha Siaya ikiwaka. Moto inawaka Siaya.
The Constitution has given us power to meet, to gather, to picket, and to express our dissatisfaction with whatever anything that the government does. We are here to assert our opposition to the recently enacted Finance Act, which introduced punitive taxes that is going to make the lives of Kenyans difficult, and many Kenyans will not be able to afford the cost of living. We are also here to announce that as the people of Siaya, we are declaring that we are opposed to the Finance Act 2023, and we call upon the Ruto regime to immediately begin the process of repealing this law so that we can have taxes that our people can be able to afford and they can be able to meet. We are also here to say that as a people, we can only be governed and laws must be enacted that we accept. That is the reason the process of enacting laws provide that before a law is enacted, there must be public participation and the people must be consulted and they must agree to that law. If the people say that the kind of law that you want to enact is bad, you have no power to use your power to enact such a law by buying cheap MPs and giving them cheap money so that they can pass a law that is hurting our people. We will not allow the Ruto regime to urinate on us. We will not allow the regime to urinate on us, and we are going to engage in actions that will prevent the government from urinating on us. We are saying that from today, the people of Kenya are going to begin mass actions in various forms, as were announced by the Raila Amolo Odinga. We are going to stop using fuel, and if you must use fuel, unanunua fuel kidogo kidogo tu. Because if you buy a lot of fuel, you are giving these people taxes which they are going to use to hurt us more.